Hi guys! For today's recipe, I am cooking Indian food, which is called as dal, yellow dal. Now I am soaking into the water for a while. Then later mix with some tomato cubes and then boil. Make it soft like a congee. Okay, now I am putting the tomato and boil it become soft. The pressure cooker is now on bubbles because it's boiling already. Ito na yung dal natin. Ito na yun. Ayan. Ito na siya. Ngayon, i-wait na lang po at spare muna natin. Tapos mag-saute tayo ng spinach. Tapos ihalo ito mamaya. Okay guys? Ingredients for the dal guys. Onion, green chili, tomato, chopped garlic, and spinach. Now I add the cumin seed. See? It must be soft guys. Then now I'm adding the spinach, and then we have to let it cook until super soft. Guys, sinalo na natin kasi nalapa na po yung spinach. Guys, sinalo na po natin kasi nata na yung spinach guys. Ayan, haluin na po siya tapos pakuluan po muna. Ayan na guys, and then you have to squeeze some lemon juice, and then thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. See you again.